Ready to transform your kitchen into a stunning masterpiece? Join us for 8 game-changing decor ideas that will make your kitchen the envy of every chef. Hey everybody! Welcome to our home decor cozy corner, HD Interiors. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of kitchen decor, where we'll share 8 fantastic ideas to help you transform your space into something truly special. You know, the kitchen isn't just a place for cooking, it's the heart of the home, where memories are made and shared. That's why getting the decor right is so important. It's about creating a space that's not only functional, but also reflects your style and personality. So, whether you're looking to refresh your current kitchen or starting from scratch with a new one, these ideas are sure to inspire you and get your creative juices flowing. From simple yet impactful stripes to incorporating greenery and everything in between, we've got you covered. Let's jump right in and discover how you can make your kitchen a true reflection of you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community for more home decor inspiration. Now, let's get started. Adding simple stripes to your kitchen walls is like adding a touch of magic that instantly transforms the space. Imagine walking into your kitchen and being greeted by these subtle yet striking lines that add depth and character without overwhelming the room. What's great about simple stripes is that they work with almost any color palette. Whether you prefer calming neutrals or bold pops of color, stripes can complement your style effortlessly. They can also make a small kitchen appear larger by drawing the eye horizontally or vertically, depending on how you place them. Think about painting one accent wall with stripes or even using wallpaper for a hassle-free option. You'll be amazed at how this little change can make a big difference in the overall look and feel of your kitchen. Stay tuned for more fantastic kitchen decor ideas coming your way. Let's talk about built-in ladders in your kitchen. These are not just practical additions, but also cool design elements that can elevate your space. Picture having easy access to those high cabinets without the hassle of dragging around a step stool. It's like having your own secret weapon for reaching those out-of-reach spots with ease. What's neat about built-in ladders is the variety of styles available. You can go for a sleek, modern ladder that seamlessly blends into your kitchen's contemporary design, or opt for a more rustic ladder that adds a touch of charm and nostalgia. Either way, it's a win-win situation in terms of functionality and aesthetics. Whether you're a short person like me or simply want to maximize every inch of your kitchen's storage, built-in ladders are a game changer. Let's dive into the world of deep blue paint in your kitchen. It's like adding a splash of ocean vibes right into your cooking space. Imagine walking into a kitchen where the cabinets or island are painted in this rich, bold hue. It's like giving your kitchen a stylish makeover that's both calming and eye-catching. What's great about deep blue paint is its versatility. You can pair it with crisp white countertops for a classic look or go for gold accents to add a touch of luxury. Plus, it works well with various design styles, from modern to farmhouse chic. Not only does deep blue paint make a statement, but it also creates a cozy atmosphere, perfect for cooking up your favorite meals or enjoying a cup of coffee in the morning. Let's shed some light on the importance of overhead lighting in your kitchen. It's like adding a spotlight to your culinary masterpiece. Picture hanging stylish pendant lights or chic drum shades above your kitchen island or dining area. It's not just about illuminating the space, it's about creating a cozy ambience that makes your kitchen feel inviting and warm. What's awesome about overhead lighting is the endless possibilities it offers. You can choose from a wide range of designs, from sleek and modern to vintage-inspired fixtures. Plus, playing with different patterns and materials can add a touch of personality to your kitchen decor. Whether you're prepping meals, entertaining guests, or simply enjoying family time, overhead lighting sets the mood and enhances the overall aesthetic of your kitchen. Stay tuned for more fantastic kitchen decor ideas on the horizon. Let's talk about creating a statement backsplash in your kitchen. It's like adding a piece of artwork that ties the whole room together. Imagine a backsplash adorned with colorful tiles or a unique pattern that instantly grabs attention and adds personality to your space. What's exciting about a statement backsplash is its ability to transform even the simplest kitchen into a visually stunning area. Whether you opt for vibrant mosaic tiles or a sleek subway tile layout, the backsplash becomes a focal point that elevates your kitchen style. Not only does it protect your walls from splashes and spills, but it also allows you to showcase your creativity. From geometric designs to nature-inspired motifs, the options are endless when it comes to designing a statement backsplash that reflects your taste. Let's bring some life into your kitchen by incorporating greenery. It's like adding a breath of fresh air to your cooking space. Imagine having potted herbs on your windowsill or a vertical herb garden on a blank wall. It's not just about aesthetics, it's about creating a healthier and more vibrant environment. What's wonderful about greenery is its versatility. You can choose low-maintenance plants like succulents or herbs that you can use in your culinary creations. Not only do they add a pop of color, but they also improve air quality and create a soothing atmosphere. Greenery also adds a natural element that softens the look of your kitchen, making it feel more inviting and cozy. Whether you have a spacious kitchen or a compact one, there's always room to incorporate some greenery and reap its benefits. Stay tuned for more fantastic kitchen decor ideas coming your way. Let's talk about giving your kitchen cabinets a stylish makeover with upgraded hardware. It's like adding jewelry to your favorite outfit that takes it to the next level. Imagine swapping out those old, worn-out knobs and handles with sleek modern ones or vintage-inspired pieces. It's not just about aesthetics, it's about enhancing functionality and adding a touch of personality to your space. What's great about upgrading cabinet hardware is the immediate impact it can have on the overall look of your kitchen. You can choose hardware that complements your kitchen style, whether it's sleek and contemporary or rustic and charming. Plus, it's a budget-friendly way to refresh your kitchen without a major renovation. From brushed nickel pulls to brass knobs, the options are endless, allowing you to customize your cabinets to reflect your taste and preferences. So, don't underestimate the power of small details like cabinet hardware. They can truly make a big difference in transforming your kitchen. Let's explore the art of blending different kitchen styles. It's like creating a unique recipe that combines the best flavors for a truly delightful experience. Imagine infusing elements of country casual with sleek modern touches or adding rustic charm to a contemporary design. It's all about finding harmony and creating a space that reflects your eclectic taste. What's fascinating about blending kitchen styles is the endless possibilities it offers. You can mix and match materials like wood and metal, play with contrasting colors, or incorporate vintage pieces alongside modern appliances. The key is to balance these elements in a way that feels cohesive and visually appealing. By blending various kitchen styles, you're not confined to a single design theme, but rather creating a space that's uniquely yours. Whether you lean towards a cozy farmhouse vibe or prefer a minimalist and sleek look, there's room to experiment and create a kitchen that speaks to your personality. We have explored 8 fantastic kitchen decor ideas to inspire your next project and transform your space into a culinary haven. From incorporating simple stripes and utilizing built-in ladders to experimenting with deep blue paint and creating statement backsplashes, we've covered a wide range of creative options to suit every style and preference. Remember, your kitchen is more than just a functional space, it's a reflection of your personality and lifestyle. Whether you prefer a cozy farmhouse feel, a sleek modern look, or a blend of various styles, these ideas offer endless possibilities to make your kitchen uniquely yours. So, roll up your sleeves, get creative, and have fun bringing these ideas to life in your kitchen. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring decor content. Share your transformations with us and tag us for a chance to be featured. Thanks for joining us on this decor journey, and until next time, happy decorating!